test it before I put it on. What is going on, guys? So welcome to Wrenchettes. We're only working this beautiful spider build right here. Put it live as well. And today we are gonna do, thank you for interrupting me, sir. This is my parking lot. Get out of here. Today we're gonna do the side markers on my car right here. I wanna give a huge shout out to Giovanni, the G35 fan, because he was the one that showed that to me. So if you wanna know how it looks on a sedan, because he also bought it for the coupe, but he's gonna mod it to fit a sedan. So that's gonna be very interesting. And I will link that video in the description for you guys when he have done it. If it's not there yet, because he hasn't done it yet. I already ceramic coat these, and these are ready to go. I'm excited to put these on. I think me and Giovanni are the first ones to get these in the United States. I'm not sure about that, but on the coupe, probably be the first one to install this on video. So yeah, it's pretty cool. I'm excited, and I love the look of this. And it's gonna look even greater when I put the LED mirrors on. And this is amber too, so it's gonna match really well. So I'm excited for that. Let's get right started. So what you do is you connect this where the bulb used to be, and it goes like so. I want to test it before I put it on. I'm gonna leave it dangling. Is it on? Yes, it is. This is how it looks like right there. In other news, check this out. I mean, look at this car right here. We over here working, and look at this car. Look at that. Somebody hit that car parked so hard that they put it up in the ramp. I mean the sidewalk, sorry. Oh my God. Jesus. So they hit it so hard that they put it up in the sidewalk and they blew the axles off of it. I don't know if the thing is robbed or something, because look, it had damage right there too. And on the other side, what the? Oh my God. And I'm pretty sure the owner doesn't know a thing. Welcome to the Bronx, ladies and gentlemen. The Spider build has one more addition and it's looking so freaking awesome. But there's a few more things left to the Spider build. And then after that, gonna be all performance mods, which I'm excited about too. But it's very expensive, so I will need a thumbs up, okay? So, guys, God bless. Stay prayed up. Peace.